and 11th mayor, we will change the course of history. And it needs to be changed. Because right now, I don't mean to take you all down to a dark place, because this has been a really uplifting experience. But right now, our city and our state and our country are under attack by Donald Trump and the Republicans in Washington. They're literally not just taking a wrecking ball to the White House, they're taking a wrecking ball to our very values, our people, and our progress. Get this. Donald Trump literally said, the shutdown is about killing democratic priorities. Now, what are those priorities? No, this gets bad. This gets bad. Killing food assistance for babies. Yeah, it really sucks. Killing money for seniors to pay their utility bills. Killing health care for New Yorkers already struggling to take care of their own lives. It even meant killing Planned Parenthood until we came in with money to keep it alive. Because they don't give a damn about women and their health care and their rights to an abortion. Oh, friends, it gets worse. What about the ICE agents flooding our streets as we speak? Canal Street, Queens, the Bronx, they're everywhere, and they're terrorizing innocent people. And we have had enough. Now Donald Trump says, oh, we're going after the worst of the worst, the baddest of the bad. They're splitting up families. And let me tell you this actually happened. They took away mothers of babies who were nursing them and separated them. This is how cruel they are. Okay, how do you top that? Now, no, it continues. It's going to continue. It's all bad. Now, they're going after our Attorney General, Tish James. They go after Tish James, they can come after any of us. But here's what they did not count on. Here's what they did not count on. They always forget this about us. When we get punched, we fight back, and we fight back hard. We don't just fight, we win. Because time and time again, New Yorkers have been knocked down, and we get up stronger, louder, and more resilient than ever before. So I'll be fighting every day with my partners on the same side, Andrea Stewart-Cousins, and our Speaker Carl Hayes. Give them a round of applause. Do it alone. We need a fighter in City Hall who wakes up every day ready to punch and fight for the working people of the city, and that person is Zohran Mamdani. And this is because Trump's America runs on fear and cruelty and division. But New York, we run on hope and compassion and optimism that never leaves us. So I said we are the state that does not back down, and I'm going to be working closely with Mayor Zohran Mamdani. But you know what? so much. No, think about this. Zohran. But you know what you should take inspiration from? Think about the fact that every single time people have forced him to endure hatred and threats, trying to use his faith or his name as a weapon. You know what he's done? He doesn't get out in the gutter with everybody else. He rises up with grace and courage and grit. That's the kind of leader we need. That's what we need. Because that Islamophobia and bigotry and hate-filled speech, that kind of bullshit doesn't belong in New York. And I see in him someone who sees a New York that is affordable, because we want to live here. We want families to grow here. We want them to prosper. So we need more housing. But you know what? Here's something I can tell you about personally. New York's first mom governor, we need more child care. And it has to be universal. Child care for everyone who wants it. So here's what we're going to do. I can hear you. But here's, my friends, you want to see Zohran or not? Listen, I got one plea for you. I love to see this energy and this passion. And for those of you who've not been involved in the voting or even campaigns before, I am so excited about what is going on here. But I need you to do something. All right, like one more thing, my friend. This is about this November's election, but take that energy, that passion, and take it into 26 so that we can take back the House of Representatives, take the Senate, and take